Hey everyone, it's Kenji. I'm standing outside my car in SODO in a parking lot, and lunch today is from Pickquick. These are burgers. If you are a fan of In-N-Out Burger in California, this is sort of the local fast food equivalent of that. In fact, they taste very, very similar, and they're constructed in a very similar way. They are fantastic. These are one of my favorite burgers in the city, fast food or otherwise. They have real fresh flavor. The vegetables are always crisp. The patties are cooked to order. They got a real nice sear on them. The buns are soft and toasted, a little bit crispy. When I come here, I always get a double cheeseburger. It's essentially the equivalent of an In-N-Out double-double, which is 2 patties, 2 slices of cheese. Don't even think about it, Crow. They're really good here about being super friendly, giving you the food exactly the way you want it. So if you want no lettuce on your burger, you can do that. If you want extra sauce, you can do that. Extra pickles, you can do that. I always get mine with raw onion and grilled onion, so you can get like a big fat slice of onion on there that they stick in between the patties. This is one of those burgers that's really kind of more than a sum of its parts. You know, you see all the different ingredients, then you taste them all together. Crunch from the fresh vegetables, that tangy spread. The beef has a real nice char to it. The cheese is just the right amount. It's all really just really well balanced. If you're not a fan of In-N-Out, you might not like Pickquick, but if you are a fan of In-N-Out and you like that style of burger, that real classic California style drive-through burger with fresh vegetables, I think you're gonna love Quick Pick. You know, one of the big differences between Pickquick and In-N-Out is that In-N-Out fries are terrible and Pickquick fries are real good. The thing that I really love here is the sauce. So, you know, it's sort of like a Thousand Island sauce. It's got mayo, it's got ketchup, it's got a bunch of chunky pickle relish, I think some onions in there. But it's really nice and chunky and tastes really homemade. Excellent on the burgers, excellent for dipping your fries into. And I think it really shows, it's sort of like a fast food place that still has a family restaurant vibe, even though it has sort of the speed and convenience of fast food. It feels like real food. It's a drive-through place, absolutely no seating. If you want to stand outside, they got a little heat lamp. You can stand out there and eat your burger. But really, this is classic drive-through burger joint. You drive through, you get your burger, you can eat it in your car, you can take it home. I suggest eating it fresh because the vegetables here are really nice and fresh. They also do hot dogs. I've never had one. They do milkshakes. I've never had one. The prices here are actually quite good as well. A single cheeseburger, I think, is like $2 or $3, or a hamburger is like $2 or $3. When you start getting double patties and adding things onto it, getting the deluxe and everything, the price goes up a bit. But you know, everything's kind of expensive these days, so you can't really blame them for that. Pickquick, small family-run business, local to Seattle. They've got a few locations. They're open on Sundays, if that matters to you. It certainly matters to me. No complaints at all about Pickquick. I love this place, and I suggest you come here in a car. I guess SODO is not the most walkable neighborhood, but yeah, if you're in Seattle and you want to taste a local fast food burger joint that's not Dick's, come to Pickquick. All right, guys, gals, non-binary pals, I will see you next time. Bye.
Hey, man, I'm Brad. I'm one of the co-owners of Pickquick Drive-In. My family runs the place, and we just want to say thanks for stopping on by, and you have a great rest of your day, and enjoy those double deluxes.
Thank you.
Of course, bye.